Stop. If you're thinking about buying ClaudHub, there's something you need to know first, because this tool is making some big claims, like replacing multiple AI tools, saving you hundreds of dollars, and doing everything from one dashboard. But here's the real question: is ClaudHub actually worth it, or just another overhyped AI launch? Stay with me, because what I found might surprise you. Also, if you decide to get ClaudHub, make sure you use the link in the description, because I'm giving away exclusive bonuses worth over $500 plus that will help you actually make money with this, not just use it. What is ClaudHub? ClaudHub is an all-in-one AI platform designed to replace multiple expensive tools. Instead of paying for different apps for writing, content creation, automation, and marketing, ClaudHub puts everything into one dashboard. It's built for content creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers and beginners who want to use AI without complexity. Basically, one login, multiple AI tools, simplified workflow. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why people are getting interested in ClaudHub. Saves money on multiple subscriptions, beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, faster content creation, helps with marketing, writing, and automation, and works for multiple income streams. And the biggest reason? People are tired of using 5 to 10 different tools, and ClaudHub promises to solve that. Inside ClaudHub, you're getting access to AI content generator, articles, scripts, ads, marketing tools for campaigns, automation features, ready-to-use templates and dashboard to manage everything in one place. Plus, it's designed to be simple, no complicated setup or learning curve. You log in, select what you want, and the AI does the heavy lifting. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep it real. Pros: all-in-one system, beginner-friendly, saves time and money, good for multiple use cases and no need to manage multiple tools. Cons: not specialized like premium tools, results depend on how you use it and still requires effort to make money. So don't expect magic, it's a tool, not a shortcut to instant success. Results: what to expect. With ClaudHub, you can create content faster, run simple marketing campaigns, start affiliate promotions and build small online income systems. But let's be honest, your results depend on your strategy, consistency and execution. This tool just makes things easier and faster. Now here's where things get interesting. If you grab ClaudHub through my link, you'll get bonus 1 AI affiliate profit system, value $297, a step-by-step system to turn AI tools into a consistent income stream. Learn how to pick winning offers, how to promote using AI and how to generate daily commissions. Bonus 2 traffic domination blueprint, value $297, because without traffic, nothing works. This shows you how to get free traffic from YouTube and social media, high-converting content strategies and simple methods to scale. Total bonus value, $594 plus. Yours free, only through my link. So, is ClaudHub worth it? If you want a simple all-in-one AI tool to save money on subscriptions and faster content and marketing, then yes, it's worth trying. But if you're expecting instant results without effort, this is not for you. Right now, ClaudHub is available at a launch price and this won't last forever. So if you're interested, click the link in the description, lock in the deal and grab my bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.